Good morning, KGC students. How are you today? I hope you are all doing great. Today we are going to start reviewing numbers and we are going to review numbers 1 and 2 only. So, look, this is number 1. So, can you tell me how many dots can you see next to number 1? We can see only one dot. Look, 1. So, can you show me 1 on your fingers? Yes, 1. Or you can do like this. You can show 1 like this or 1 like this on your fingers. So, we only put 1 finger up to represent number 1. We can do it this way or that way. Yes, now look, we have number 2. This is number 2. How many dots can you see next to number 2? Let's count them together. 1, 2. So we have 2 red dots next to number 2. And can you show me 2 on your fingers? Yes, we can do 2 this way. Put 2 fingers up, or this way. We can show number 2 in 2 ways. This is the first way and this is the second way. And now we have a box full of vegetables and fruits that we are going to count and see if we have 1 of them or 2 of them. So, look, what is this? This is a lemon. Okay, let's see if we have another lemon in this box. What is the color of the lemon? The lemon is yellow. Look, we have another lemon here. So, how many lemons can you see? Can you count them? 1, 2. So, where do we put the lemons? Here on 1 or on 2? We put them on 2 because we have 2 lemons. Now, let's see. What is this? This is an apple. So, where do we put the apple? Let's see if we have another apple here. Yes, we have another apple. So, how many apples can you see now? 1, 2. 1, 2. So, where do we place them? We place them here on number 2. Now look, what is this? This is a mango. Where do we place the mango? Do we have another mango? No, so we place it here on number 1. Now, what is this? This is an orange. Let's see, do we have another orange in the box? No, so how many oranges do we have? We can count only 1 orange, so we place it here. Now, what is this? This is a tomato. Can you see another tomato in the box? No. So, where do we place the tomato? We place it on number 1. Look, what are these? These are bananas. How many do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2. So we have 2 bananas. Where do I place them? 1 or 2? Yes, we place them here next to number 2. Now, what are these? These are grapes. How many do we have? We have 1, 2. So where do we place them? We place them with number 2 here. Look. Now, what is this? This is a pear. How many pears do we have? Look, the box is empty. Do we have another one? No. So we only have 1 pear. We place it here with number 1. And now I want you to bring a paper, write number 1 and 2, and we are going to match the numbers with paint. So look, we are going to paint next to each number a dot. Here we have number 1. So how many dots do we have to paint? Yes, one dot. So you put your finger in paint to print only one dot. Look, one. Then two. This is number two. So how many dots do we have to make? We have to make two dots. One, two. Okay. And now we are going to use Play-Doh for number formation. So we're going to start with number one. We roll the Play-Doh until we get a stick. Look, we got a stick. So this is number one. Number one is like a stick. It's a vertical line. Now you put your finger up to trace number one. You put it at the top. Then you start from the top to the bottom. This is number one. Now we're going to write number two. We're gonna cut the Play-Doh in half. We take the first one. We roll it. And now we make a curve or half a circle. Look, we put it here. We start as doing a curve. Then we make it like this. Okay, so we take the second part. We roll it until you get here a line. And we place it as a vertical line, as a horizontal line. So you make half a heart. You go slide right to trace number two.